Hi, welcome back. On my previous video, I showed you how to remove the rear ABS wheel sensor of a 2004 Chrysler Town & Country. On this video, I'm going to show you how to install it. So, I just got it started for you. I'm going to take a look here. This is the new one here. And you can see, it might be a little bit difficult, but there's a little metal bracket or holding spring right in there. The angle's real difficult to see, but you'll know what I'm talking about once you get underneath and look at it. Okay, so again, as I mentioned before, when removing it, you're just going to trace the wire from here, from the removal harness, and you're just going to do the opposite. So you're going to reattach this bracket here. Here's no one here, so it fits right in. Just tighten that up, and then again you want to just trace that wire back up. So you'll see a little holding mechanism here. So you're going to line that off with this indentation right there, and that's going to squeeze in like so. Just be delicate with this. So you just want to fit that in there. I have to put the camera down for a minute because it's going to require two hands, but at least you can see what's going on. So just bear with me for a second while I get this in. Okay, so you can see now it's in. That's in there, that's snug. And you're going to, this clip here, you're going to fit that wire in there, like that. And just continue to work your way up. Next one's going to go in there. And if you get underneath, you see another bracket there. Squeeze that in there as well. So again, I'm going to place the camera down just so I can use both hands and get that in there. Okay, oh, now upside down there. Okay, so you can see that's in there, it's nice and snug, and that's what you want. And then finally, I'm going to connect this here. So you'll see this end and that end. And that's going to go in. You'll hear a little clip connection. Once you hear that, slide this red piece back, and then that's locked in there. Now, as I showed you before, it goes right up in there. So we're just going to stick that up in there, fit that in there, and then this little piece here is going to go in that hole right up there. And that's it. That should clear. Your ABS code was pointing to the right rear wheel. That should take care of it. If you have other codes, they would need further diagnosing, and your ABS sensor may not be the problem. In the case of this vehicle, that's what it was. So again, thanks for watching. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, have a good night.